We're going to do wind gusts, and I'm going to turn on pressure and particle animation. We'll see how long this takes. Saturday at 5 o'clock. This is Invest 91E, 30-mile-an-hour wind currently. We can check some other things about its forecast. I wonder if I can do that now, or how annoying that might get. Stick with me here. All right, it's a potential tropical cyclone now. Okay, and that's where it is, just off the coast. And it appears it's very uncertain. The path, very, very uncertain. Of course, these are being redrawn as well. So let's just get back to particle animation, and let's go with the European. It appears tomorrow morning to be very windy between Puerto San Jose and San Salvador. Let's see how windy it's going to get. 49-mile-an-hour winds. That's at 9 a.m. But I don't see really any tight. I mean, there's your circulation. I'm not going to say landfall, but the potential for a cyclone before landfall is there. There's the low, according to the European, and there's the low according to the American model, or the GFS. We'll just call it what it is, GFS and ECMWF. This is Sunday at 1 a.m. in the morning, and then let's get to a time, let's say about 24 hours from now, about 5 o'clock. Those winds die down, so very windy in that area. Then look at all the mountains in these areas here. You know, the winds are really representative. They do a pretty good job of the funneling that happens in between wind, or in between, high mountain ranges. You get a lot of funneling, or tunneling is another word for it. Just imagine wind being compressed between two tall buildings, and it's windier, even though it's not windy outside. With that said, I'm going to go out another 48 hours and see if we can pick up an area of low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico. Now, of course, this is the Caribbean. There's Georgetown over here. There's, if you're familiar, it appears like it comes out here. All right. In Ciudad del Carmen, I apologize for my lack of names. That's pretty good. That's at 1 o'clock on Monday. That's not a full 24 hours from the time of this recording. And it appears that we could have some more tropical cyclone development. Now, this is, again, if you follow me a lot, is as far as I go. I go about 48 hours, and you can kind of see the disparity between the two models. This doesn't even have a closed area of low pressure. It does have a wave. It's more of a ridge than a wave. The wave would be more over in this area. So where does it go from here? Now this is the fun part. This is where TV likes to have a blast. And they're like, oh, look at this. Okay, so according to the American model, I saw it there, you saw it too. See if I can nail it. There we go, right there. Or maybe I can't. All right, that's the American model. It's trying to get something on Thursday developed. Same thing. It's real scattered. But it did form. And what happens after that? This is the Gulf of Mexico. There's Corpus Christi, Texas. There's Lake Jackson. There's Houston, Beaumont, and the like. And we're talking about Thursday now. And if you take this all the way into a week from today, this is the issue. I mean, we have boiling hot water. This is Louisiana. There's New Orleans. I'll leave that up there. But this is a week ahead. I mean, even in the forecast cone of uncertainty never goes a week with any real confidence. I mean, confidence is less than 10% for this typical. Let's see how the NAM wouldn't pick it up because it doesn't go this far out. It only goes to Monday. So ECMWF all the way to Saturday again. So let me do what everyone wants, and that is, where is it gonna go? Okay. This is a week ahead. You know what the chances of this happening are? Less than 5%. Okay? Less than 5% that we'll have a tropical cyclone off the coast of Mexico and southern Texas, Corpus Christi. There's Houston, San Antonio, Beaumont. But it is worth kind of taking a look. This is what you'll see on TV for all week this week, is that a potential tropical cyclone will develop and then cross South America, redevelop in the Gulf of Mexico, and then according to the most trusted model, I mean, I'm not even going to show you what the American model shows. It's got the low way over here. It doesn't even have a low. This is silly. Most trusted model right here. Way too far out in advance. Way too far. But let's keep an eye out, all right? Let's keep a weather eye out for Thursday. See what comes off of the bay here, Bay of Campeche. Let's see, Wednesday, middle of the week next week. Does this happen? And why does it go away? The reason it goes away could be the very reason that nothing happens on Saturday and Sunday. But if it does form, like it wants to up here, could be different reasons. Fronts don't drop as far south in May and June. So these things tend to spin up on their own. Reason enough, the water's hot enough. So share with your friends and keep watching. Again, this is way too far out in advance. The only thing I have the confidence in is 48 hours. And 48 hours, we could have a named storm that makes its way into Central America. And that's where I'm keeping it. This is just for fun for now.